Go.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, si Jake Cuenco ito. Matagal po tayo hindi nagkasama. So ito po yung next vlog ko. I just received itong order from Shop Kitopi. So ito yung Shop Kitopi, sa healthy food po siya. So this time hindi po siya ayuda. Ito po ay in-order ko for health. Of course, marami pong ino-offer yung Kitopi. Meron silang sugar free, meron silang paleho, meron silang sorry, parang di ako magkamali. Meron silang vegan, nut-free, organic, tsaka keto. So, I can't wait to open the box. I'll show you guys itong in-order ko. But before I open, so make sure na mag-click kayo ng subscribe and notification bell. Don't forget Jake Cuenco. So, start na po natin mag-unboxing. So, start ko na po. So, kararating lang po siya. Fresh. So, ito siya. Ito yung loob ng box. So, ngayon, i-open na natin yung loob niya. So, na-excite na rin ako. Ganito pala mag-unboxing. So, first time ko lang ginawa mag-unboxing sa vlog ko. So, ito yun. So, ito yung una. It's guilt-free snack, fitness toasties. Yan. After mag-workout, pwede kang kumain dito. Sugar-free to. So, mas healthy. And of course, mas prefer to ng mga, of course, yung mga, pwede din sa mga diabetic. So, next, meron tayong original sugar, 0% sugar. Sugar-free din to. Na with no cholesterol. I think it's a biscuit. It's a biscuit. Parang oat siya na biscuit. Yan. Oat siya na biscuit. And of course, meron tayong quinoa na biscuit. Ayan, kakaiba to. Sugar-free na quinoa na 0 cholesterol and no fat, 0% sugar. And of course, guilt-free. Alright? So next, meron tayong from Shop Kitopi again. It's chop. So itong next is Kitopi chop cauliflower. Healthy rin siya, veggies to. It's vegan. Ganda rin to sa health, pan-diet. And then meron tayong sugar-free na cocoa milk chocolate, coated milk chocolate siya. It's a biscuit siya. Sugar-free din siya. So, healthy lahat po itong ating in-order para po sa mga health conscious out there. So, if you want, you can shop again here in Shop Kitopi. I recommend you can just shop on their website. Tama ba? Shop Kitopi. Shop Kitopi na. Yeah, just click Shop Kitopi. Meron sila sa IG, di ba? You can order through Facebook or Instagram, online, whichever you're comfortable. Tama ba? Alright, hi Lian! So, ito naman next is, ito pasta naman to. Ay!
Zucchini noodles.
Noodles to, tama ako. It's a zucchini noodles pasta. Vegan din siya. Tama na, vegan. And then, zucchini noodles siya. Zucchini noodles. Healthy din to siya. Naka-chop na rin siya. Ready to eat. Ito important. And of course, ito. Same lang ng zucchini. Ito rin na-chop din siya na yellow pasta. Healthy rin siya. Para sa mga vegan. So, low carb siya. Importante kasi lalo na pag may tulad ko, may age na rin ng konti. So, we need to, to think about our health. Of course, health is wealth. So, we need to eat proper, right food. The right food. And then, ito yung pinaka-last. Ayan. open natin. Malamig siya. It's an ice cream. This is my favorite. Kunyari, after ng meal mo, pwede kang kumain ng ice cream. So, hindi mo pa i-deprive yung sarili mo ng kumain. So, of course, we need to eat. So, meron tayong ice cream. Yeah. Oh, with ice pa. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. It's Brooklyn Creamery. Sugar-free na ice cream. And keto, cheesecake ba to? It's a chocolate chip cookie keto. I can't wait to eat this one. So, ayun nga guys, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Siyempre, dessert. Mahilig tayo lahat sa dessert. So, we need this one. Pero of course, low carb naman din siya. Sugar-free, guilt-free, low fat. Alright. So, yun na po yung laman ng box ko guys. So, hope you enjoyed. Marami kayong natutunan na bago na naman natin pwedeng kung saan tayo pwedeng umorder para sa healthy living. So again, this is my channel, Jay Cuencoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. So again, abangan niyo po yung next vlog ko. And I think now it's already time for dinner. So kakain muna kami. Bye guys. Thank you so much.